In this video, I will show you how to see hide bet on 1xbet. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional 1xbet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, 1xbet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So to see a hide bet on 1xbet, you have to go over to your history, and right now my bets are hidden. So if you want to see hide bets, all you have to do is to click on this filter here and then select all and apply. So if you have to hide a bet, just come over here, choose the bet you want to hide. I want to hide all my bets that are accepted and I apply. All my bets are accepted are going to be hidden. If you want to hide all my bets, oh, okay, I want to hide all my bets that are accepted, I just apply, and then all my bets that are accepted are hidden. If I want to unhide them, just select all and apply. That's how to see hide bet on 1x.